Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lane Guitar, myself Varun. Today I am going to do a tutorial for the song Hamma Hamma from the Hindi movie Bombay. The same song was remade in 2017 with the movie Ok Jaanu. So in this video I am going to do the starting bit portion and another bit portion of the song, and in the remaining part 2 and part 3 I will do the pallavi and Anupallavi portion. So hope you can learn from this video. So now I will tell the notes of the song. The note will start at the first string, 14th fret. The note name is F sharp. So F sharp, G, A. The fret are 14th, 15th and 17th fret of first string. So remember first string, 14, 15 and 17th fret. The notes are F sharp, G, A. So it will be F sharp, G, A. So F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp. This is the starting part. And again after this note, moving back to the note D of the first string. The position is 10th fret. That is actually D. So F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, D. So together if we play, it will be like this. And next part is, so after reaching the note D, we have to play that is D sharp, D and C. The fret are first string 10th, 11th, 10th and 8th fret. So 10th, 11th, 10th and 8th fret. So and again moving upwards, that is, so after reaching C, again D, D sharp, F sharp. So all together we can play like this. So moving bit fast, playing it in a fast manner, it will be like this. So you by practicing you can also play like this. And after that, so you see the notes are in the 10th and 11th fret. That is D and E sharp. Then moving to F sharp and G. So D, D sharp, G, F sharp. D, D sharp, G, F sharp. So we are playing alternatively G and F sharp. So and again after that pattern moves again to the note A, which is the 17th fret of a string. And again back to the note D from G, F sharp, D. So this is the first part of the song. So ya, ye, re, you can see a vocal sound. So that part is F sharp, G and A. So in high pitch. And after that, the pallavi part will come. So after Hamma part, so the next bit part is so this part will start at the note D. So D, C, B, A. So D, C, B. So D, C, B, A, B, C, D. D, C, B, A, B, C, D. And again double strike at D. So that is D, then 2 F sharp and G. So D, F sharp, G, and again back to D sharp, D, and then A and D. Sorry, C and D. This is C and D. So this is another bit, and the next bit portion is and that portion is D, D sharp, F sharp, G, A. Only these notes in the first string. So D, D sharp, F sharp, G, and A. The position is 10th, 11th, 14th, 15th, and 17th fret. 10, 11, 14, 15, and 17th fret. So ascending and descending order. D, D sharp, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, D sharp, D. This is another bit, and another last bit in this song is so that last part is so that is on the first string, 12th fret, which is E. So E, F sharp, G, and D is coming. So in this part, D, E, F sharp, G is coming. So initially E and F sharp. So E, F sharp, F sharp, another strike will be at F sharp. So initially E, you can see E, so that alternatively we are playing F sharp, E, G, E, F sharp, E. So F sharp, E, G, E. These notes are alternatively playing. That is 14th fret, 12th fret, 15th fret, 12th fret, again 14th fret, 12th fret, 15th fret, 12th fret. So alternatively we are playing that. And again moving on to the note D. From E. So from E we are plucking towards the note D. So it is in this particular part. So after that, so from D, pluck and stop at F sharp. And next part is from G, pluck and move towards B. And then part is G, F sharp and stopping part, that is C, D. So these are the bits in this song, right from starting and to the ending. And the next upcoming tutorials I will play the pallavi and Anupallavi portion of this song. So thank you for watching. Hope you can learn from this video.